Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check FaceTime call history. FaceTime doesn't have a dedicated call history feature like traditional phone call logs. However, you can check recent FaceTime calls directly from the FaceTime app. Locate and tap on the FaceTime app icon on your iPhone's home screen. Once you're in the FaceTime app, you will see a list of recent FaceTime calls. Swipe up and down to scroll through the list of calls. Missed FaceTime calls are typically highlighted in red. Tap on a call to view more details, such as the date and time of the call. You can also see the duration of each call next to the call entry. To make a new FaceTime call, tap on the video or phone icon next to a contact's name, or tap the plus button to search for a contact or enter a phone number. If you don't see the latest calls, pull down the list to refresh it and load any new entries. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.